For the first time since January 2020, AFT-Maryland members went to Annapolis to meet with elected officials to discuss the legislative agenda items important to public employees this session. The annual lobby night is organized by AFT-Maryland political coordinator Todd Reynolds. He stressed the reason legislators need to hear directly from members.
All our members are public employees. They either work for public school systems like in Baltimore City or the School for the Deaf or in DJS, Juvenile Services. And we have state employees, we have city employees. By and large, the legislature hears a lot from management types about what's happening in our schools, what's happening in our city agencies, what's happening in our state agencies. They don't get a chance to hear from the members, from the people doing the work, what's really going on in the state agencies, in our schools, in our county and city agencies. And this is the opportunity for members to let their own representatives and the representatives who will make laws that govern those agencies, let them know what is really happening on these campuses.
The General Assembly often hears from management of state agencies, but rarely from public employees who engage directly with Maryland residents. Just as it's important for legislators to hear from public employees, it's also important for our members to find their voice speaking to elected officials.
It's very important for our members to talk to their legislators because they get to tell the real stories. So much gets lost in translation. Sometimes there are things that are in theory, however, it's not really happening in practice, right? So we have people that are on the front lines that are able to tell the stories the way that they are actually happening, and they can advocate for themselves.
Higher education workers have been organizing across the country, and Maryland is no different. A contingent of higher ed professionals made the trip to advocate for better working conditions and to stand in solidarity with other public employees.
We want to improve our working conditions, get a living wage, so many important things that collective bargaining rights could help us with. And AFT is instrumental in that fight to get this bill passed to grant us collective bargaining rights. Without AFT, we wouldn't be able to meet as many legislators. Without the support of all these other union members around the state.
The cooperation of AFT-Maryland members from across the state advocating with and for one another is a hallmark of the unity of the state federation, as well as the key to our success in Annapolis, which will only come with solidarity.